In late 2015, the congregation voted overwhelmingly to move forward with the remediation of our iconic tower. To do this, we have secured bids and expect to complete the project in 2016. Old attempts to seal up the surface will be removed. Much of the limestone shell will be removed and a new surface will be affixed with a new stone and proper systems of draining water away from the structure. When complete, we will have the cross tower restored, our columbarium at its base properly housed, and unfettered access to our beautiful hillside memorial meditation garden.